Hey guys, did you know that a dandelion produces latex, similar to rubber from which car tires are made? This is a close-up look at the dandelion seeds. The seeds are attached to fluffy parachutes carried by the wind. Dandelion belongs to the sunflower family. It got its name because its leaves look like teeth of a lion. In French, dandelion means lion's tooth. The dandelion flower opens at sunrise and closes at sunset. This flower is ready to make the seed parachutes. These seeds are still green. Here is a tiny bug that lives inside the dandelion. Dandelion leaves and flowers taste bitter, but they are used to make tea, wine, beer, salad, soup, and medicines. The white juice in dandelion stem contains latex, similar to rubber. Many plants produce latex, but most of the world's latex comes from the rubber tree. We cut the stem, leaves, and the roots to see where we can harvest the most latex. Looks like the root and the base of the leaves have most. If you harvest enough dandelion juice, you can make a waterproof cloth with it, or even a small rubber band. Dandelions live for 2 or more years. Their roots can reach up to 15 feet into the ground. Here is what you can find inside a dandelion root.